Hey, welcome back, man. Welcome back to the channel. Non-consensual towing. We're pulling in right now to yank a couple of cars. I've already ran the list down. I got 2 up here. They're expired tags. The manager did mention she's had a bunch of people parking in fire lanes, parking on the curb. She told me if I see anybody parked on the curb anywhere, to hook it up. But I ran back through here to check, and I didn't see anybody parked anywhere that wasn't a parking place. We got here a little bit late to catch anybody parked in a bad spot. But anyway, we're fixing to hook up a car up here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna back in. I imagine we're gonna have some action on one or two of these. We got 2 side by side. Man, this is a difficult pull out here. Right, we'll get it loaded. You got a sticker? You got a sticker? Yeah. You need to just put it on the car. That way I don't tow it. Sorry. Yeah, but hey, both these cars? Mine. No. You don't. This is mine. This is somebody else's? Mine. Yeah. Friend. Okay. Wait till the tow guy backs up. It almost hooks the car. And then they come out and put the sticker on. Man, well, that's pretty ridiculous. But this other car, I'm gonna try to get a hook on this other one too, the side by side. I made a lot of noise, so I don't know if I'll get it or not. But we're gonna tell you what, we're gonna give it a shot. What's going on, man?
Where are you taking the car?
You can pay it out if you want to pay it out. It's $100 payout.
Where are parking?
Well, you got to talk to the office. If you get a sticker, if you ever get a sticker, call the office.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to pay the 100? Yeah. I'm gonna pull down here.
Neighborhood.
Oh, for the neighbor. Pretty much got hung up on this impound right here. We got hung up. I had all 4 tires locked up. The brake was pulled up. It's got a good e-brake, so all 4 wheels were locked up. Or I wouldn't have had a problem loading that. It would have came straight. You hook the front, if the rears are locked, it'll actually slide, and that's what it did. It slid over. The vehicle slid over toward the other car, and it hung me up on it, and that does happen on occasion. It took me way longer than average to hook that car, which it does happen. Every car I load, well, probably 99 out of 100 cars I load, I don't have a problem like that, because I usually, I might have hooked it differently. The smart thing for me to do would have been to do a lockout on the car, pull the e-brake off and load it up. The rear would not pull straight onto the truck. It kept sliding. It kept, when I was winching up, it kept sliding further and further, making it closer to the car beside it. Anyway, that's what happens, man. We got it loaded, didn't damage anything, no problems. So we're gonna sign it out and roll to the yard. Yo, we're back at the yard. I just dropped off this Rainier, the Buick Rainier. I noticed a vehicle on the property. I remember towing this vehicle. Towed it a while back, I yanked his car because it was parked in a handicap spot with no tag. The guy paid it out on property. Matter of fact, I'll run the clip. Anyway, I don't see no handicap placard on anywhere. No, man.
No, I'm here. That's AAA's coming right now.
Listen, it's on the hook, bro.
Okay.
Hey, listen, hey, the property had me towing.
No, the AAA guy's literally coming right now. Please,
I understand.
Look, please, I'm begging.
Listen, you can pay it out if you want to pay it out.
Look, literally, we're on the way.
I believe you 100%, man.
Look,
I fully believe you.
the time, like they said, they're on.
It's right here. Life Outdoors. I remember these stickers on this vehicle. That right there is how I knew it was the same vehicle. But this guy, yeah, he paid this car out. By law, he had the right to pay it out. And he brought it back and parked it somewhere else. It's a nice 4x4 Wagoneer. Either way, he was parked in a handicap spot in his vehicle. His vehicle wound up here. I don't know if he was parked in the handicap spot this time or not. It was probably just towed for no tag. Anyway, I guess he didn't learn the lesson the first time we towed him. Anyway, that's how it goes. It's what it is. This is Eugene and his son right here. I got you. Hey, listen, hey, what you got? You got you a Cadillac, man?
How you like it?
That thing's nice, man. Caprice.
Wait till you see the inside.
That thing's nice, man. I'm gonna check that out. I don't know what this is. There's always some kind of massive wrecks, man, around this area. All over Atlanta. Maybe nobody got hurt. Anyway, we're going to get an impound right now. We got a called in impound. I don't know if it's a hot one or just a regular pull up and get it, but we'll see what happens. We may have some confrontation and we may not. There ain't been one way to find out, and that's back up and hook it up. And we're going to find out here shortly. Anyway, stay tuned. Pulling in right here to the pool. We got some kind of car that's been sitting by the pool, and that must be it right there. Yeah, that's it right there. You can tell how long it's been here by the dirt up underneath the car. That car was it was overdue to be towed, that's for sure. It's been sitting there for a long time. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the yard with it. They called it in. I'm sure there's more cars on this property. They're just not towing right now, but they will. They'll eventually tow more. We're gonna run on. Anyway, stay tuned.